The cleanliness warrior, Sardar Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, Padma Shri 2026.
एक ओंकार सतनाम.
About 5 or 6 centuries ago, emphasizing the need to keep the environment clean, Guru Nanak Ji had said that the air is akin to your teacher, water is no less than your father, and the earth is your mother. So there can't be anyone more uncouth than the one who makes the earth untidy. To litter is shameful. To clean is an act of pride. Surprisingly, people don't shy away from cleaning and not littering.
He is retired DIG Punjab Police, Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, who the people of Chandigarh see every day cleaning the streets of their city. Born into a family of army officers on 6th June 1938 in Sangrur, Punjab, Inderjeet Singh Sidhu inherited the legacy of discipline and the love for the country from his parents. He was bright as a student and promising as an officer of the Punjab Police, which he joined in the year 1961. For his selfless and distinguished service, he was honored with the President's Medal for Meritorious Service too. He used to willingly take up the responsibility of cleaning up the places he worked at.
I've seen him telling relatives and friends at family weddings to not to litter the disposable coffee cups, which they would leave around carelessly. He would ask them to dispose them only in a dustbin. He has always been like that. Such is his nature.
After his retirement in the year 1996, Inderjeet Singh Sidhu moved to Chandigarh. But he soon discovered that the city, once celebrated as India's most well-planned one, did not find a place amongst even the top 10 cleanest cities of the country now. This broke his heart because for him, Chandigarh was not his hometown. It was his home. Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, without an iota of hesitation, started picking up the litter he came across on the streets.
It all started with my morning walks, but soon it was more about picking up the litter than the walks. Ultimately, cleaning up the litter took over my mind completely, and I forgot about the strolls.
It was odd and uncomfortable for people to see a retired DIG cleaning up the streets with his bare hands. Some mocked him, while some were simply astounded.
My friends who come over to meet me tell me that we would have continued to throw the garbage carelessly if we were not residing in your neighborhood. But now we are mindful because we know your father would pick it up himself if he saw it.
Seeing him collecting the garbage with his bare hands, there were many who suggested he wears gloves, but there were none to lend him a helping hand. Inderjeet Singh Sidhu has been relentlessly and selflessly cleaning the streets and public places as if it is his duty to do so.
I try cleaning up these roads and public places with a hope that other citizens also realize that if he can do this single-handedly, then we can also join him to make our public places cleaner.
Now that he has been honored with Padma Shri, the same people who earlier used to question his actions and ask me, what is he doing, have a respectful attitude towards him. I'm really proud of him.
Sardar Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, Padma Shri 2026. Koti Koti Namaskar.